Hello guys, thank you for watching my packaging products labeling day. So today I am doing wax melts again. Snap bars, wax melts, they're kind of one and the same, but this is Caribbean coconut and it's a snap bar and it smells really fresh, really clean, and just kind of taking you to the beach basically with palm trees. You know, every wax melt I make, the fragrance has to bring me somewhere nice. You know, I'm never going to make one that's going to have a horrible fragrance or essential oil that I personally don't like anyway. So I'm just going to slide that into the packet here, and then as you can see, I'm just going to fold the top over and put my thank you for supporting my small business sticker here, and then we have our labels here, and that's that. Nice and simple, easy to open, perfect. It only takes 30 seconds. Okay, so now I'll move on to the next fragrance because you have the general gist. So this one is a little more colorful, as you can see, and it is a tropical fragrance, tutti fruity type of fragrance actually. The fragrance oil was called tutti frutti, but it's just a taste of tropical really, and so I decided to add a lot of colors. You know, it's the end of summer kind of a fragrance, but it just picks you up, you know. Kind of brings me back to my childhood. So I think it's a lovely one just to end the summer with. So again, the thank you sticker goes on the back, and then I have the label here, which again is a colorful label. Tasted tropical, always reminds me of orange. And there you go, job done. Okay, so that's that. So I'm just going to finish up here with the rest of them, and I hope you like them, and that if you do, make sure to DM me to order. My website will be out soon, I promise. It's on the way, so you'll be able to order online then. But other than that, you can always message me to order. Okay, at on my Instagram or Facebook page. Okay, thanks guys. See you. Have a lovely day. Have a lovely weekend.